Hey, so I got this comment about Discover and how they may deny your request for credit if you have good or excellent credit or other factors they take into consideration, such as like your debt to income ratio and like your recent open revolving accounts and your inquiries within the last 6 months. This is in response to the video that I made you all yesterday showing you all of the different credit cards I have on my website that can pre-qualify you. And I put Discover under bad credit okay. And I want to explain why I put that account under there. So you can see right here, go to my website, All Things Rickita. Under credit accounts, I have bad credit okay. And if you go down some, you'll see Capital One on there, Navy Federal on there. Navy Federal will give out $10,000 credit cards easily. And you also see Discover on there. Now, if you all go to Discover, you're going to discover that they have so many different credit cards. They got cashback credit cards, they got student cashback credit cards, and they have a secure credit card where I usually tell people if you haven't had a bankruptcy in the last 2 years, then they'll go ahead and give you that secure credit card. So bad credit is okay with Discover, but it just depends on which credit card they're going to give you. And if your credit's still bad, and I mean you have a low credit score, they still may give you like a student cashback card, or they may even give you the cashback credit card. The best thing for you guys to do is just check and see if you can get pre-approved for it. And then they can do this without even give you a hard inquiry. Now, if you all decide to get the secure cashback card, understand that you can get this secure cashback card and you have rewards with it, and you can pre-qualify for it. So you have so many different rewards. The one thing a few things I want to point out is you're not going to have an annual fee. They had a refundable security deposit, so they start off at $200. I think you can go up to $5,000, 2,500 maybe. Don't quote me on that. Double check with them. It's going to help you build your credit. Just make sure you keep your balance low and pay your bills on time, and it's going to help you build your credit, and you got a chance of getting your deposit back. So if you are unable to get other credit cards and Discover say, hey, I want you to pre-qualify for our secure credit card, I think that you should get it. Now, I got some screenshots that I want to show you all too, because you can see right here, they said upgrade to an unsecured card after 6 consecutive months of on-time payments and maintaining a good status on all of your credit accounts. So I want to talk about that with you all. So let's see. Let's go through my images I have here. So here is my image I want to show you all first. So they said you can get your deposit back. This is an actual email that Discover is sending you all out as they're checking your accounts. So this is an email they'll send you out saying, hey, it's almost time for you to upgrade. Keep doing what you need to do, and we're going to give you your deposit back. So you can see they checking off months. So 4 months are already checked off, and then it's just 2 more months basically that's not checked off at the top. So month 5 and 6, they said within 6 months, 6 billing statements, they can give you your deposit back. You can get your deposit back in as soon as 2 months. Keep making consecutive on-time payments and maintain good status on all of your credit accounts. Discover reviewed your credit bureau information as of 5/11/22, so they just checked their reports to determine whether you maintain in a good status on your credit accounts. Note: the report may not capture your recent credit activity. You're on your way to get your deposit back after 6 consecutive on-time payments and 6 months of good status on all your accounts. I get so nervous reading in front of people, but please bear with me on that. Now, this information right here is very hopeful. So what I want you to take from this is this. I want you to understand, what is a good status? What does that mean? So you can go down to where you see the number 1, like right in the middle. Your credit report show no delinquencies, charge off, repossessions, or bankruptcies for 6 months prior to our review. And your Discover Secure card is not in a prohibited status at the time of the review. Included but not limited to closed, revoked, suspended, subject to a tax levy, garnishment, deceased, lost or stolen, or fraud. Monthly reviews may be delayed if you change your payment due date. So don't change your due date. When you get your secure card, don't change your due date. It's as if you have to get it. We typically process your refunds in 2 to 3 business days based on your delivery preference. If you close your account and pay in full, we'll return your deposit within 2 billing cycles plus 10 days. So what I took from this is that when you all get that account from Discover, you need to make sure that you didn't have any bad stuff going on before you got the credit card, and you don't have any bad stuff going on after you get the credit card. And when I say bad stuff, you need to pay your bills on time. You don't have no new charge-offs, and you didn't file for bankruptcy. You don't have any new changes that will make them say, why are we giving you a credit card? Anything that will scare them. If you have these different things going on, then understand you're not going to get your card upgraded. You're not going to get your deposit back. You're probably going to stay secured, and maybe they'll later on upgrade it. I'm not sure if they're going to later on just do a review. I'm not sure. But if you all want to get a credit and you have bad credit, then this is the route that you're going to have to go. And if they say that they said that they want you to get a secure credit card, just get your secure credit card and upgrade to an unsecured credit card the 6 consecutive on-time payments. And look, I told you the email that they would send out to everybody too. So that's the email that somebody got saying, hey, we're going to upgrade you. I've been telling so many people get this credit card, even have a full video on that Discover credit card. And I want you all to check it out, because if you need to get a credit card, you may want to just get in, and you got a low credit score. You can get like a Navy Federal, Capital One, Discover without getting a secured. Get the secured, because it'll become unsecured, but you have to do what you need to do with that card. Don't have any fraudulent things going on. Don't have any late payments on your accounts, repossessions, charge-offs, because who would want to give you a credit card if you got other things going on? And you should be able to get your money back, and then they'll increase your limit. That's the goal. Now, outside of you just getting your money back, they have other things that I really liked about them having a secure credit card. Like with their secure credit card, like they got the 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. I like that. You get 1% cash back unlimited. I like that. And they do a double cash back, so they're going to match your cash back. So whatever you get your first year in cash back, they're going to double that on your anniversary automatically. So I really like that. So like I told you all, you can pre-qualify for this credit card, and I wouldn't tell you to just pre-qualify for the secure one. Just go to all credit cards. Like as soon as you, let's go back there. Let me show you all. Oh, not like that. Hold on one second. Let's see. As soon as you, oh wait, that is going to be the link. Let me go back. As soon as you go to the website in general, like go to my website, All Things Rickita, right? Look under credit accounts. As soon as you click the Discover credit cards, click right there. As soon as you click right there, the first thing, see if you pre-approved for a credit card offer. There's no impact to your credit to check. Go ahead and click right there and pre-qualify for a credit card with them. And if they tell you need to get a secure one, maybe you need to think about just getting a secure one and put $200 down. A lot of you all will blow that on nothing, on food or just going out, buying clothes or something like that. If you can, put that money down on that secure credit card, because if you're able to get that to upgrade, they're going to give you a higher limit and they're going to give your money back. So I really love that. So go ahead and plug in all your information and see what they can pre-qualify you for. And if they can give you another credit card outside of the secured one, then good. I tell people, they're going to tell you what they can possibly give you. So don't just say, I'm not going to get one. They're going to tell you what they can possibly give you. So even if you think that your credit is bad, somebody just said they recently got approved for a $2,000 credit card, but their credit score is 580. How are you getting a $2,000 credit card and your credit score is 580? So don't listen sometimes to some of the comments. I'm not saying that this comment is wrong, but just try for yourself. Pre-qualify. See what they can give you, because everybody's credit report is different. Everybody's credit report is different. You just never know. So plug your information in, your name, address, date of birth. Are you a student? Yes or no? Because they have a student credit cards. What's your monthly housing or your rent payment? What's your total annual gross income? And then what kind of benefits are you looking for on your card? Are you looking to get cash back? Do you want travel rewards? Do you want to do a balance transfer? Maybe you max out some of your other credit cards. You want to do a balance transfer or other? Like, what do you want? That's what they're asking. And then go ahead and read all the disclosure, their electronic communication disclosure, and then check that box if you agree. And understand it's not going to impact your credit. And then just click check now. See what they can give you. And if they can give you a credit card, good. And if they can't, then all right, move on to the next one. There's so many different credit cards on here, you all. And I put this list together because I've been in a situation where I didn't know which credit card to get next, or if I can even get another credit card. So I put this together for you all. So all of these credit cards is if you have bad credit. And the reason why I put all these here, because some of them is secure, like the credit builder card. That's a secure credit card. That kickoff account, they'll report a $500 account, but I just got an email starting on the 21st. Used to be able to pay $2 per month. They're going up to $5 per month that you have to pay for that $500 credit account on your credit reports. To me, I'd rather you all just get a secure credit card and keep it pushing instead of paying that $5 a month. But, that's just me. But get you a $200 credit card. Like, get the credit builder card. You'll be better off than doing that kickoff. Or get like a Capital One, Navy Federal, Discover, because at least you can get your deposit back. But them going up that $3 just make me feel some type of way. I gotta be honest. It make me feel some type of way. Yeah, it's just the Rental Karma. They're gonna report your rent. The Credit Strong. Everybody should be able to get these accounts like Rental Karma, Credit Strong, like Kickoff. Those are accounts where it's not based off of your credit, And a lot of these credit cards can pre-qualify you. Credit One Bank can pre-qualify you. Mission Lane can pre-qualify you. Tumo can pre-qualify you. A lot of these credit cards that can pre-qualify you. And then you see the last one, I put warning, high fees. Like, warning, don't do it. But it's still on there because some people ask about it. So I just put it on there. But they can pre-qualify you. That means they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they can get that credit card, and then you decide if you want to get it. It's as simple as that. But definitely, I got a message about somebody from Navy Federal. If you want to get the Navy Federal credit card, they can pre-qualify you, and they have multiple credit cards you all can pre-qualify for. And if your credit score is bad, I suggest you start with like the Capital One, Navy Federal, and Discover. And if you have to get their secure credit card, get it. Like this secure credit card with Navy Federal, they have a 6-month rule just like Discover. A 6-month rule just like Discover. But they didn't break it down like how Discover shoot you an email. They won't break it down like that. But just take those same rules from Discover and apply it with this one too. Because if you put $200 on their secure credit card, then it's going to increase in 6 months to $2,000 credit card. That's what it normally does. So definitely, you all don't get discouraged by the comments. Hopefully this video was helpful to you all, but I just wanted to come on here and show you all these different cards. And let me know if you like the format of me recording my screen like this, because a lot of us are on our phones watching this anyway. It just looks so much easier for you to be able to see it just like this instead of turning your phone sideways, and it just won't look right. So let me know if you like the format that I'm doing right now with the videos this way, and let me know of any questions that you have. If you all are subscribed to my channel, then those are the questions that I'm answering. I'm answering questions for people that's actually subscribed. So if you're subscribed, then I'll answer your question. Go ahead and drop your question down in the comments, and that's how I'm making my videos right now. I plan to push out more videos and make more videos, but say something nice, I guess. Put something on there I can make a video about, because I may just have to type it in there if it's like something short and sweet. But I'll talk to you all later. And if you have any questions, go under popular links and you can schedule a call with me. Let's talk. If you have any questions, schedule an appointment with Rickita. Let's talk there. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.